He says, these are not cunning devised fables. Earlier, remember when he said, there are people that can be in ministry for 20 years, and you can have someone who is submitted to transformation in 1 year and overtake the person in 20 years. Listen. I now have 2 businesses. I was homeless, and I now own my own home. Me and my wife and my mother-in-law, we are now in the process. Listen, in less than 15 months, we are about to build a homeless shelter. And one last thing, we are winning souls for Jesus. Hey, this is koinonia.